Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to add your business location on Instagram. Before you get started, please subscribe our channel. The best way to add your business location on Instagram is to go to the browser. I am going to use Safari. After that we need to go to maps.google.com. You can just search for maps and you will find Google Maps at the very first position. Once we are at Google Map, we need to search for location. We would like to add our Instagram profile. You can just stop at some location in this way, and after that if we drag it to the left, we can find the share option. All we have to do is just tap on it and then tap at copying. What that will do, that will copy the link to that particular location to the clipboard. And after that we can go to Instagram, and on our profile page we need to tap at edit profile, then link, add external link, and in the URL field we need to paste the URL we have just copied, and also we can give a title to the URL. After that, to save the changes, don't forget to hit add done. And then if we go to our profile, we can see that now we have clickable link to our location on our Instagram profile. That's how we can easily add our Instagram business location. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.